What's up, YouTube? AJ Simmons checking in with another great video for y'all. So listen, today I want to talk about, make sure you just focus on the right thing. Focus on the thing that's going to get you to what your real goal is the quickest, and don't get distracted by vanity things, vanity metrics, and what's the other word I can use? Well, shiny objects, right? Don't have shiny object syndrome. All right, and hopefully this thing is not like super duper sideways or crooked or something. But anyway, and also hopefully I'm loud enough. I got my AC on, and hopefully that's not too loud in the background. But anyway, I'm gonna try to hurry up and get through this before I get on this interstate where it get louder, right? So bottom line is this, right? Sometimes we can focus on the wrong things. Like for example, let's just say let me see, how can I give you this? All right, bam, I use myself for example, right? So for those who've been following me enough, you know I got a few rental properties, right? And every year I struggle with, okay, should I buy another property or should I reinvest in Clean Biz Network more? Should I buy another property or should I reinvest in Clean Biz Network? And every year so far, the answer always ends up being, I'm just gonna go ahead and stick with reinvesting in Clean Biz Network. And you know why? It's simply because Clean Biz Network is gonna make me the most money. Right? It's simple as that. And my goal right now is I'm trying to get to the bag. Once I get rich, we can buy all the different properties we want to buy. Because see, the way I invest, I buy single family homes. The reason why I like single family homes as investments is because, to me, and especially in the area that I invest in, I like to only invest in my home city because I want to be able to have some type of control of the rent in that area, right? Because I know I'm not going to keep raising the rent every year because my mortgage don't go up every year. Now, as our mortgage start to creep up a little bit, I'll raise my rent a little bit, but I'm not going to keep raising rent every year just because I'm greedy, because that's what they teach you how to do when you learn real estate, right? They teach you automatically raise rent every year. I'm not with all that. If my expenses don't go up, then my rent won't go up. But anyway, but in doing that, right, so my strategy for investing in single-family properties is simply because I feel like you attract better tenants because people feel like they're doing something when they got a house, so they'll treat it better and usually take care of it like it's their own home, right? So that's why I like single family properties. But the problem is, okay, well, how much do you really profit off a single family property? You talking about a pass of, maybe $400-500 a month, okay? Versus with Clean Biz Network, sky's the limit, right? So I'm like, okay, I could buy, 5 more properties this year, and either 5 times 5, $2,500. What, $2,500 extra dollars a month is essentially not nothing to me, if I'm honest with you. I can create a product right now for $2,500 a month out of my mind, and I don't got to qualify for nobody's mortgage. I don't got to put down payments down. I don't got to find tenants, screen tenants, background, all that mess. All the stuff that come with real estate, I don't got to do repairs, right? And so it's like, so if I did buy those properties prematurely right now while I'm supposed to be stacking and getting to this bag first, guess what I would be doing it for? Vanity. It would be because it looked cool that I could post on my Instagram, look, I got another property, y'all, or look at me doing this real estate, or look at me this, you walking through and you want to show off. And it's like, well, fuck all that. I don't give a damn how good it looks. Oh, I can be able to say I got 4 properties down instead of 2 if I ain't making but a fucking extra pass of $400-500 a month. That ain't nothing for me, with all due respect. You know what I mean? So my thing is, let's focus on the things that's going to actually get us closer to the bag, y'all. We on the come up stage now. Them first 5 years of business, if you ain't doing $1 million in revenue, fuck everything else. Pick that one business and build it all the way up. Period. All right? Fuck. Just like I was listening to Alex Mosey earlier, and he was talking about how, he was posting so many times on Instagram. Then he started talking about relationship stuff. I'm about to get on the interstate, y'all, so hopefully it don't make it, my engine don't get too much louder. But I'm gonna try to project my voice. But anyway, he was talking about, he started talking about relationship stuff, and he was getting away from his initial message, which was just business in general, right? And so he was getting more followers and more likes, but he wasn't getting more sales. And so that's an example right there of like, okay, then you had to ask yourself, okay, man, well, wait, I ain't doing this shit to be famous. I'm doing this shit to get money. And that's what I'm on. So it's like, sometimes I'll get distracted and I'll see other people in this online niche and, oh, they doing this, they doing that. And I'm like, wait a minute, hold on, AJ. Yeah, they doing that and that and that. But truth be told, most of the time we can see through, like, money, no money. A lot of times I can see those guys ain't even making what I'm making a lot of times. That's number one. They might got more followers, but all of them ain't making what I'm making. And then on top of that, it's like, then I also value something different. I value freedom. So if some of these people, man, they got to go live every single day, multiple times a day. Some of these people posting, 6 YouTube videos a day. I was thinking about hiring one of these guys from YouTube to be my mentor, because I'm like, damn, he just took off. And then I noticed, I went and looked at everything he was doing. I said, this motherfucker posts 6 times a day on 2 different channels, and he go live. I don't know how many times he go live. And so then I was typing out the email. I'm about to reach out to him, but then I stopped. I said, you know what? This ain't who I want to learn from, because you know why? And salute to him. I love his work ethic, that he's doing good stuff. But at the end of the day, his lifestyle ain't the lifestyle I'm trying to live. Point blank period. So you gotta really think about whose advice are you taking? Because when you take somebody's advice, you adopt their life. And I don't want to adopt his life. Shit, I live good. You know what I mean? I work productively. I don't work a long ass time. I don't work a whole lot of hours unless I got to. You know what I mean? But for the most part, I'm typically not working but 4 days a week. And I'm usually putting in about 6 hours a day at the office. So it's like, nah, I'm not trying to. I done put in my grind time early on. I don't gotta work 7 to 7 no more. You know what I mean? Fuck that. And then my kids older now too. I done sacrificed them years when my kids were younger. Now I'm at every basketball game. You know what I mean? Now I'm in here with my daughter creating her own video game and making her beats and stuff, and I can sit there and pitch in and help out or give my advice or whatever, or my takes. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want to be working. So it's like, be careful who you looking at and who you pulling from, because they might not even be living the lifestyle that you want, or it might not be getting you closer to the bag in the first place. You know what I mean? So make sure you focus on the right damn thing, and that's the bag. You know what I mean? What's gonna get you to the money the quickest, y'all? Simple as that. I'm gonna stop it right here, and I'm gonna give y'all some more. I'm gonna keep these videos coming just like this, y'all. Why just hop on here, give y'all random life and business advice, just like how we used to do it back in the day. I'm gonna go back to that for a minute, y'all. I'm still gonna do some cleaning business specific videos here and there, but I mainly want to get back to the stuff I love, which is just talking about the shit I learned about mostly business, but in life in general. So that's what I got for y'all. I'm AJ Simmons. If you like what you hear, follow and subscribe. And also, if you do have a cleaning business or you want to start a business and you don't know which one to start, I say start a cleaning company, because it'll get you there very quickly. If you don't know what I'm talking about, watch a video from yesterday where I was talking about how, you can get one commercial cleaning contract and you up a few thousand straight like that. Go get another one. And like, the cleaning business could change your life. You know what I mean? If you don't know which one to start that. Then once you start that, build it up. Either you can build it to a multi-million-dollar empire, or you can just build it up until you can flip it into something else, like I did. Like, I flipped my cleaning company into a software and coaching company. Now, you can flip it to whoever you want to flip it into. Use the experience that you learned from this to go to the thing that you really want to do. You can flip it into going into real estate. Like I got a few properties that you can see. But for me, real estate ain't shit until you get rich. For me, real estate is a wealth play. So the difference, and I'm just going to that real quick. I was about to end, but real quick, because I got to explain what I mean when I say stuff. Real estate is a way to protect your wealth, right? It's the best investment possible out there that you can protect your wealth with. But it's not the best thing that's going to get you rich, okay? And the difference when I say rich versus wealthy is, wealth sustains over periods of time. Rich is just money, okay? It's just money. You get it there quickly. You liquid, you know what I mean? So I want you to get rich first. Get a lot of money. Then once you get a lot of money, then you want to put into something that's going to preserve your riches, which is AKA makes you wealthy. All right, so that's the wealth. But right now, we want to focus on getting rich. So that's why, you know what I mean, I focus on the business first, and we're going to do that first. I recommend starting your business. Commercial cleaning would be one. And if you're interested, you go to cleanbusinessnetwork.com and check out my starter kits and all of that there. And that's it, and go up. But it ain't got to be a cleaning business. Do whatever business you want to do. But just pick one, though. Pick one. You know what I mean? If you need any advice on any type of business you're trying to start, just ask me in the comments. I'll give you my feedback on it. Y'all, I got a lot of different experiences, and it's time for me to start drawing on some of those, on these videos and start letting y'all know what it is. So I'm AJ Simmons, founder of the Clean Business Network. I'll talk to y'all soon.